goes, ladies and gentlemen, Dekoski. 23.2 miles an hour.
Yeah, how their tractor will perform. But Mark doesn't have that benefit. He has nobody to watch, so it gives him the chance to decide if he's happy with how things are set up on his tractor, and that's why he is the test mower.
Not towards me, Mark. $287.85.
Maximum ground speed he achieved on that pass, so we will see if he's happy. More than that here tonight.
Hey, you're gonna get it.
Let's play team.
Come on, girl. Come on.
Tractor and helmet, you're on the board. Put it on, push it across his head, and a real good time getting out here off this tough clay track and seeing what you got. I know I'm going to do so, thanks to Gary. On the track now for the group, Mark Dekoski and a misbehaving Allis Chalmers D21. I want you to pay particular attention here to the skid bars there between the front tires. This is a new thing for the National Tractor Pulling Association this year. It's recommended for the thumb this year, mandatory next season. They've gone to this in all of the major tractor divisions in the country. And the reason is there's been a rash of incidents in the last several years involving the front tires coming off after a particularly violent front impact. The hope is these skid bars will prevent the nose of the tractor from diving into the track and having a real sudden stop. Mark Dekoski and misbehaving Allis Chalmers D21. One win already in 2008.
Come on, girls. Come on, girls. That's the way. Come on,
So they knew they could not pull on that evening and decided to do something